can't see. I can't see anything here. We're gonna see. Long, long gone, yeah. I just wonder if this mic here is picking up anything at all. Well, we're soon going to find out. Yeah, there. Yes. It's too bad. Too bad my little yeah, the sun is so bright that by golly, you just can't imagine it being that bright. By golly, all my birds just flew away. Well, this will give me some idea if this mic is on, if this mic is live or dead in this position. Well, we're going to know very shortly what we're doing here. This is up real close, but all my birds disappeared. God darn rascals. Oh, here's a bunch of them right down there. I don't know what brand they are, but they might come back again here. Well, there's a few of them coming back. Not a great deal. Just a little bit too cold. A little bit too cold. Now let's give it a try. See what this does here once.
We'll be back with more Smithsonian treasures.
Are we?
Do you like the better cheddars?
I think.
Sure. I can see myself
I think we are on the air. I think. I'm pretty sure. Yeah.
Come on, you can tell me. Baked right in. I can taste it.
Well, let's see what we do here, just in case. This is being taped. This is being taken off the television through the lens from the television live to the camera. Just to see what we got here.
No diet in the world will help you lose weight until you do one thing. Control your